Okay guys, welcome to today's lesson. In the last video I promised you that the last question which we needed to solve, I'll solve it in the next video, which is this video. So this question here, number one question, which says evaluate 3 to the power 2 plus 3 to the power negative 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 0. So I promise you that you are going to solve it in this video. Here it is. I've already solved it, so we are going to pass through it together. 3 to the power 2 plus 3 to the power negative 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 0. Okay, so what you are going to do here is, since we know from the laws of indices that when the power is negative 1, this negative here, when the power is carrying a negative, the negative, what it means is 1 over, that's what it means, the negative only. So it means 1 over. Then we also know that any number which is raised to the power 0 is 1 from the laws of indices. I hope you have learned that topic, laws of indices. Okay, so 3 to the power 2 to remain as it is, plus we already said that any number raised to the power which is having a negative is 1 over what? 1 over this 3. Then we were supposed to write the power here. Now, knowing that the power is 1, we don't write it. So we are just going to leave it like that, multiplied by 1 here, because any number raised to the power 0 is 1. Then 3 to the power 2 to remain just like that, plus 1 over 3. Where this 1 over 3 came from is 1 times 1, that's 1. So it's 1 is, and then the denominator is 3. So 3 to the power 2 is the same as 9, plus 1 over 3. Then for us to solve here, we are going to make 9 as a fraction as well by dividing it by 1. Then we are going to find the lowest common denominator, which is 3 here. Then 1 into 3, that's 3. 3 multiplied by 9, that's 27. Then 3 into 3, that's 1. 1 multiplied by 1, that's 1 here, which is here. Then 27 plus 1, 28 over 3. Then 3 into 28, it's 9, remainder 1 over 3, the denominator. So that's how you go about this question. So I hope I haven't left anyone behind. So if you have some questions here, drop in the comments so that I may repeat the same question by solving it in the next video. Okay, so before I go any further, if you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe so that you won't miss out, because I'll be uploading many questions involving solvings, like equations and many other paper 1 questions. So don't be left out, just subscribe. And then we have the second question here, which says the diagram below shows 3 points J, K, and L on the level ground. K is due to east of J, and angle LJK is equal to 70 degrees, and angle JKL is equal to 30 degrees. Calculate the bearing of K from L, that's A. Then you calculate the bearing of J from L, that's B. So these questions, the bearing questions, these they mostly come every year. It's rare to see that bearing question has been left out by the examiners. So you need to know this one. Calculate the bearing of K from, let's start by calculating F first. Calculate the bearing of K from L. K from L. So where is K? Where is K? K is here. Okay. So what they want us to find is calculate the bearing of K from L. So from L, where is L? L is here. That's where L is. It's here. L is here. So calculate the bearing of K from L. So what we are going to do is we are going to draw a north here on L. we're going to draw a north like this. So they want us to find the bearing from the bearing of K from L. From L, that's where that's where you draw the north. Then the bearing, they want us to find this. That's what they want us to find. Okay, here. So from here, you're also going to draw a north here, and a north here, like this. So from here, what we know is when we have two lines like this, and this angle and this angle, what you know is these two angles, they add up to 180. That's what is known about angles. So like this, we have this angle here and this angle here. So these two angles, this from here to here and from here to here, they add up to 180, like this. Then we know that this angle is 90 degrees. That's what we know. So we are going to say 90 plus 30. That's the angle for this from here to here. It's 90 plus 30. So we have 90 degrees here. So what's 90 plus 30? Like this. So 9 plus 3, that's 12, which means it's 120. So from here to here is 120 degrees. 120 degrees. So we know that from here to here, it's these two angles that add up to 180. So for us to find this angle, we're going to say 180 minus 120. Just simple as that. This 0, 6, 0. So for bearings, when finding bearings, there should be 3 numbers. So if you have found 2 numbers only, you need to put a 0 at first to make the numbers become 0. So like what we have done here, instead of us just finding 60, we wrote 0 here so that they become 3 numbers. So here, the bearing of K from L is 0, 60 degrees, like this. Then let's go to the next question. J from L. J, where is J? J is here. See J, that's where J is. From this L, which is here, like this. So what they want us to find is from here. We start from north. You go like this to J. That's what they want us to find. Okay. So this is almost making a complete circle, like this. It's almost making a complete circle. It's almost making 360 degrees. Okay. So these two angles here, these two angles from here going to here, and this from here to here, like this, they're also same as these angles, like this. So this angle from here to here and from here to here, they add up to 180 degrees also. So this is 90 and this is 70. So 90 plus 70. What are we going to find? So this is, then we're going to find about 160 degrees. So 160 degrees. Then so if this is 160, if we are having 160 here degrees, if you're having 160 degrees there, so what it means for us to find this angle, we are just going to say 180 minus 160. Then this 0, this 2, then like this. So you have seen that we have again put a 0 here for them to become three numbers. So the bearing, no, we haven't found the bearing. We have only found this angle here. So this angle is 20. Sorry for that. This angle is 20. So we have found that this angle is 20 degrees. Now you have seen that here, starting from here to here, it's almost making 360 degrees. So for us to find this So what we need to do is just to subtract this 20 from 360 degrees. So 360 plus 20, like this. Then this and this 0. This from this 4. Then this 3. So the bearing from the bearing of J from L is 340 degrees from here going like this to here. You see 340 degrees. So 340 degrees like this. Okay, so we have come to the end of the video, guys, and what I know is most people find bearing to be difficult, so I'll be posting more videos about bearing so that I won't leave any of my students behind. So guys, thank you for watching, and if you are watching on this channel for the first time, please subscribe so that, as I always say, so that you won't miss out.